In the middle of the solar system, the sun expels a massive flare that starts hurtling toward the other planets. Meanwhile in Turkey, Armin is out on his boat enjoying his work as a diver. After a few hours of swimming, he meets with his ex Defne, who has come to ask Armin to join her on a deep-sea voyage to the Erebus Trench. When she mentions that they're being sponsored by Yenilik Incorporated, a company that belongs to his father, Armin doesn't like it and an argument ensues. Defne makes him promise to at least think about it. In the evening, the solar flare destroys a satellite. The flare is moving at great speed and approaching Mercury, which is soon picked up by Çelik in an air base in Adana, the Turkish capital. She immediately shows this to her commander, who says she'll tell their superiors and asks her to keep it quiet. The next morning, a mysterious file is dropped under Armin's door, so he rushes to meet with Defne again. He finds her with her new fiancé Kenan, which makes things a bit awkward. Armin asks for more mission details, so Defne shows him some maps while explaining his father is looking for fuel. There's a location that wasn't seen in 100 years and has been found again, which makes Armin excited because there he'll find Savalia Savaglia, a black coral he's always wanted but never could put hands on. Armin agrees to go, and in the evening he joins the rest of the crew, happy to see Defne's assistant Rana, marine biologist Kem, and oceanographer Felix. However, Armin gets upset when he sees that Kenan is also coming, and because he gets a call from his dad, not believing he cares. At the air base, Çelik overhears the higher-ups having a meeting and learns that dangerous gamma rays are coming to Earth, meaning humanity doesn't have much time to prepare. Later at home, Çelik calls her mom and tells her to hide underground before Thursday. Unfortunately, her bosses intercept that message and send soldiers to her house. Çelik sees them and immediately rushes to block the door with some furniture so she can escape through the back, leaving her phone behind. By the time the soldiers break in, Çelik is driving away. Out at sea, Defne decides to do a preliminary dive before reaching the trench to test their submarine, so everyone goes with her while Kenan and the captain stay on the boat. Before they leave, the captain says they've received word that there's something wrong with the ocean over in Asia, but it's blamed on a volcanic eruption, so the group leaves anyway. They're underwater for a few